Hi, we're about to conduct an extremely important scientific experiment. We're here in South America, Santiago, Chile. The experiment we're about to conduct is to answer the question finally, once and for all, which way does the water rotate when you flush it in a toilet in the southern hemisphere? Let's go find a toilet. Later. Here we have, for those who do not recognize it, a toilet in South America. I'm going to place in the toilet, not the phone, but a piece of paper so we can see the direction of the rotation. You now flush, and that water is rotating with great vigor in a clockwise direction. Great vigor. Not sure what that means. However, I'm afraid of the prejudice of the asymmetric entry of the water in that little notch, so let's conduct this experiment. This, for those who do not recognize it, is a bidet, also in South America. Put a piece of paper in, undo the drain, and we have a very slight rotation clockwise, but very slight. Let's now do the same experiment in a sink, also in South America. This is basically not rotating. Not sure what this all means. I hope I didn't make this trip for nothing. But there you have it. Now you know which direction the water rotates in a toilet in South America. Have a good night. Thank you. Hi, it's me back again. I'm going now in the northern hemisphere. We're going to continue the second half of our experiment investigating which way the toilet flushes depending upon the hemisphere of the world. Here we are in Boston in the northern hemisphere. Now we're going to walk over this. To those of you who do not recognize it, is a toilet in the northern hemisphere. Let's place our marker there. We flush, and we have a clear counterclockwise rotation. Okay, but we are worried about toilets being asymmetric. So let's do the same experiment in a sink, also in the northern hemisphere. Here we go. And this sink is not really draining very rapidly, but I can tell you that it is not rotating. It is just going straight down. So there we have it. There we have it, folks, the definitive answer that it doesn't matter which hemisphere you're on, the water will go however it wants to. Forget the Coriolis Effect and all that crap. Thank you.